Hi, in front of me is LG K62 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose Lock Screen and Security, click on Select Screen Lock over here and tap on one of the lock-in methods. Swipe pattern, PIN or password. I will go with pattern, so now I have to click on it, then draw my pattern, click Next over here, repeat it and choose Confirm. Over here you can select how do you want to see notifications on your lock screen by tapping on one of the options. I will go with Show All Notifications and tap Apply. So now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!